Hey guys, welcome to our new video. Today we have a Chrysler 200 2015 and it has a check engine light on. It says EVAP leak and check oil cap. So upon checking we find out the that cap is pretty loose, right? So we already got new one. It's from Amazon and yeah, I'll show you how to change it. It's pretty easy. You can take out your old cap and you can see the seal is pretty loose, you can see, and that's our new cap. So you can see the difference. The seal is pretty tight over there and that seal is so loose that I'll take it out. It's so much loose. So you can tight the cap until you have 2-3 clicks and that thing will go over there. You can just, you have to push it a little bit hard in that, so that, oh, hold on, so that lock will go there. So that's how it should look. So you have to put pretty firm pressure on that, or you can use a plier to do it, and you can move it around. So that's how you guys can change the fuel cap. And let's see the car still have that light or not. Before that it was coming here. Yeah, that light was blinking and check engine was on. Yeah, it still says check fuel cap, so we're gonna put a scanner on that and remove the light for once, and then let's see it will go or not. And if you guys don't have a scanner, you can remove your battery negative terminal for some time and you can put it back and the light will go away. So it's gonna take time, right? If you don't have big scanner, just remove the battery, it will reset your ECU, and that's how you can remove the check engine light or check fuel cap light from your car. If you like my video, thanks, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Have a good one.